Hi guys, it's Mr. Hilberg. I'm making this short video to show you all how to log into your Google accounts and your Google Classrooms. It's not too complicated and it should be easier after this first time. So just follow along with me. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to Google. You're going to make sure that you're not signed in to an account already, right? So there's going to be a sign in button here. You're going to click on that sign in button. You're going to come here, you're going to click on use another account. You're going to enter your email address. Now, I'm going to put my first name in here and last name, Brett Hilberg, except you're going to put your first and last name there, not my first and last name. Then you're going to do at students.mes.k12.or.us, okay? And then you're going to click next. Except it'll find yours. It didn't find mine because I don't have a student account. So mine looks like this. But we'll go to the same screen after this. So when you type in your email address and you click next, it'll take you to this website, the MESD website. Type your email address in this spot right here. Then type your password, which I've emailed to you, or if I dropped a computer off at your house, it is on your sign-out sheet that I gave you. Your password is there. So you're going to enter your password here, your email address here, password here, sign in, verify that it's you, and now you have access to all of the Google stuff that we will be using up here. So if you click on Gmail, that will take you to your school email. All of you in your school email accounts should have an invitation from me to join our Google Classroom. In the future, when you want to go to Google Classroom, you come to this main Google page, make sure you're signed in. This little dog here means that I'm signed in my school account. You're going to click on this little icon here, and then you're going to click on Classroom, and then it will take you to Google Classroom. I think your student view looks very similar to my teacher view. You're going to click on this Mr. Hilberg Burlingame Classroom, and then your assignments, your directions, everything is going to be right in this feed right here. Anything else that you need will be posted on here, so this will be your primary place to come find resources. I will put information here about how to log into ReadWorks as well as Khan Academy. So this is what you need to know for Monday. This is where we will meet Monday morning at 10. Looking forward to seeing all you guys. I miss you, and I will see you soon.